The LUCIA project will contribute quite significantly for understanding the risk factors for lung cancer, something that will enable us to make a prevention of the disease before it happens, something that we can train the society, the citizens, the stakeholders, the policymakers to pay attention for those elements when we are seeking the early detection of the disease itself.
And I think LUCIA can bring us forward in this by helping us understand the lung cancer risk factors, as well as building these prediction models that can help us choose who would most benefit from lung cancer screening.
Having early detection meaning that it's the best way of treatment, because then we can increase the survival rate from around 15 to 20% to more than 70%. Without any new treatments or therapies to utilize for the process of treatment.
I would say that we have a multidisciplinary team of clinicians, biologists, engineers, lawyers, so we can get the most out of the knowledge of each. We can develop new methods, new technologies to help in understanding lung cancer, and this will translate it into the population for better prevention and screening programs and better diagnosis.